Hello, grade 6. Good evening. This is Teacher Lay. So I am here. I am here to show you the slides. I prepare a video for you in solving fractions, adding and subtracting fractions. Okay. So I have here adding and subtracting fractions. Okay. In here, first we have adding fractions. Okay, so I made an example, no, naghimo ko examples, duha ka ways to solve in adding fractions. So duha na siya ka, kung ano na, duha na siya ka method, two methods in adding fractions. So it is up to you, naara ninyo kung asa ani nga method ang inyuhang gamiton. Okay, so first we have, for example, we have adding mixed numbers. Okay, adding mixed numbers. So first, we are going to um, make our mixed number into improper number. Okay. So, di ba, they are both improper numbers, 5, 3/4, and 4 and 1/5. So, we are going to make this into improper fractions. So, ang way sa pag-change nato sa mixed number to improper fractions, di ba, we are going to multiply, then i-add. Okay. So, we have first 5 times 4. What is 5 times 4? That's 20. Then 20 plus 3, that's why we have 23. Then the denominator is 4, so we have 4. Then we have 4 and 1/5. So what is 4 times 5? 4 times 5 is 20. Plus 1, that is 21. Okay. Over 5. Nganong 5 ang over kay the denominator is 5 man. Okay. Then let's continue to butterfly method, means cross multiply nato. So we have 23 times 5, that's 115, plus 21 times 4, that is 84. Then ang denominator nato, i-over na to is 4 times 5, that's 20. Then we add 115 plus 84 is 199 over 20. So, i-divide na to diri. 199 divide 20 kay 9. 9 times 20 is 180. So, i-minus na to, the remaining is 19. So, first, ato na isuwat ang answer. We have 9. Then, ang numerator na to will be the remainder, 19, then 20 kanisya. So, our answer is 9 and 19 over 20. Okay, this is our first method, the butterfly method. Next method, we have the, katong common na to, finding LCD. Okay, we have 5 and 3/4 plus 4 and 1/5. So, the multiple of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And the multiple of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20. So, they have the least common multiple of 20. That's why the LCD is 20. Then we are going to write 20, the denominator 20. So copy 5 and copy 4. So let's do the division and multiplication for this. So 20 divide 4 is 5. Then times 3, that's why it is 15. Then here, 20 divide 5 is 4. Times 1 is 4. So we have now 5 plus 4 is 9. And 15 plus 4, 19. Then over 20. 20 kay 20 mo na itong denominator. Okay? So again, I will give you a freedom to choose. So, nara ninyo kung unsa nga method ninyong gamiton, kani ba nga butterfly method or kani siyang sa finding LCD. Okay. Next example, subtracting fractions. So, subtracting fractions, we have 3/4 minus 7, 10. So again, let's do since proper fractions man siya, wala siya mixed number. So we are going to do the cross multiply or the butterfly method. So 3 times 10 is 30. Then minus 7 times 4 is 28. Then over 4 times 10 is 40. So 30 minus 28, 30 minus 28 is 2 over 40. Then, ma-divide sila both by 2. So, i-divide na to. 2 divide 2 is 1 and 40 divide 2 is 20. That's why we have 1 over 20. Okay, mo ni atong butterfly method. How about sa kaninga method sa LCD? Okay. The LCD, the multiple of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. Then the multiple of 10 is 10, 20, and so on. So their LCM or least common multiple is 20. So LCD is 20. That's why we write 20 for the denominator. So 20 divided 4 is 5. Then times 3. 5 times 3, that is 15. So minus. Okay. 20 divided by 10. 20 divided by 10 is 2 times 7. That's why it is 14. Then we subtract 15 minus 14 is 1. So that is 1 over 20. Okay, again. So we have here the butterfly method and finding the LCD kani nga method. So nara ninyo kung unsa inyong gamiton ani nga method. Pero i-master lang ninyo, okay? Pero mas better kung inani okay ra pod. Okay, next arita. Okay. Continuation siya sa addition nato, no? Sa 2 over 7 plus 5 over 10. Okay, same ra gihapon sa pag-plus nato, butterfly method ta. So 2 times 10, that's 20. Then 5 times 7 is 35. So plus kay plus man over 70. 2 plus 35 is 55 over 70. Then ma-divide pa sila by 5. 55 divide 5 is 11. And 70 divide 5 is 15. Okay. Next, sa butterfly method ni siya. Next, kaning nga method. 2, 7 plus 5, 10. So, pangitano to ilang LCM or LCD. Sa 7, yung multiple kay 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, and so on. While sa 10 kay while sa 10 kay 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So, nasa 70 nga LCD. Okay, so 70 atong i-write diri sa denominator. Then 70 divide 7 is 10 times 2 is 20. Then 70 divide 10 is 7 times 5 is 35. So 20 plus 35 is 55 over 70. So again, just like the ray, divide na to sila both by 5. So we have 11 over 15. Okay, next. We have, what if we have subtracting mixed numbers? So puros mixed number ato i-subtract. So what will we do? We are going to first step nato dinhi ang sa kani nga method nato sa find to sa LCD kay pangitaro to ang multiple ni 10 o ni 6. So 10 kay 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. Then ang 6 kay 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and so on. So their LCD is 30. Then write ito 30 dinhi og 30. Copy 5 and copy minus 2. So 30 divide 10 is 3 times 2 is 6. Then 30 divide 6 is 5 times 1 is 5. Okay. Then 5 minus 2, that's 3. Then 6 minus 5 is 1 over 30. So ana lang na siya. Okay, next, ito itong butterfly method. So butterfly method na to, ato ang mixed number. Yung una sa natong improper. So i-times and i-flash. 5 times 10 is 50 plus 2 is 52 over 10. Kay 10 yung denominator. Minus 6 times 2 is 12 plus 1 is 13 over 6 kay 6 man ang denominator. Then do the cross multiply or butterfly method. 52 times 6 is 312. Then 13 times 10, 130. So we are going to subtract 312 minus 130 over 160. Ano, 60 kay 10 times 6 is 60. Then it's 312 minus 130 is 182 over 60. Then I divide na to 182 divide 60 is 3. So 180. Now I remainder nga 2. So that's 3 and 2 over 60. Si 2 over 60 ma-divide pa man og 2 over 2. That's why we have 3 and 1 over 30. Okay. Next example. What if we have here 10 minus 4 and 1/8? So 10 minus 4 and 1/8, nakatay 10 over 1 kay understood na siya nga na ay denominator nga 1. Then minus ato siya siyang himuon og improper fraction, si mixed number. So we have 8 times 4 is 32 plus 1 is 33 over 8. So proceed to butterfly method or cross multiplication. 10 times 8 is 80. 33 times 1 is 33. Then 8 times 1 is 8. That's why our denominator is 8. So 80 minus 33 is 47 over 8. So we have 47 divide 8 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Then minus 7 na lang. So we have 5 and 7 over 8. So in ana lang siya. Then, what if in ani ang addition no 8 plus 3/4? Just simply 8 and 3/4 kay 8 man plus and 3/4. So, 8 and 3/4. Okay. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much, my dear grade 6. I hope you've learned today. Thank you.